Hello guys and welcome ahead to the class to train to have F59 and the C has 44 this was one distraction. And the Michael has had this old trains is had this other part. They're referring to the kings that had the oldest characters who had some let's say had pieces 12 and this is California it's cluster. This is a large country in Roblox. The houses is not had the Soladas had the singer there's a cluster and those other planes that had the counts that had say. There's what had so and had a good for the head say and the rest skiers on has and there's all the his the trains that had so. The funny has is a great that had this lot has good and this one had all the Santa Fe and BNSL outside. This one the cluster has a new cup car. And I saw had this had unfortunately had someone these days. So the head is a card this is one is a head is in there. Anyway, so had let's try it out this one this. The cop car is ahead as well had because it's a station or has had the name is a platform A. So I had to think it had two. It's a had so we had a nose printer for this one this back this days. So I had to head to the head this one now. And this way here is how the police this is one they had a hot set with the Coaster CS-44 in 2021, 2022. And this had the fight this had so had it side. And 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 thank you so head side.
ver como é que tu aguenta passar desde 6 horas da manhã.
Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time for this class to trades and those are all the characters I had so Hans. And this one I like this one had a lot of free and also this like this tiger had a so concern and then this hate this is not and it has a head is all the characters he has that thing so and then the goodbye had so I had to say head is all this thing and also had to like the characters that had the knights and also had to put that is in San Diego and I don't put that has in there. So and thank you for this headache. So this had almost a head is ahead and goodbye. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.